Did you know that natural stone is porous? Not only does it allow for scratches and stains, but it's also a breeding ground for bacteria. At Coit, our team of technicians has the experience and proven treatment options to revitalize and renew all of your stone surfaces with our 3-step process. It starts with a technician assessing the stone for any damages or stains. With Coit's use of honing pads and abrasive compounds, any scratches and wear are removed, restoring the stone's shine. Now, the technician can clean the stone, protecting it from any bacteria. Not only will this process sanitize the stone, but it will also remove grease, dirt, grime, and other foreign materials. With Coit's natural stone sealer, not only will the stone's surface have maximum protection against future staining, but also protection from bacteria. Natural stone is a great choice for any home, but protecting that investment is crucial. At Coit, we employ a proven multi-step method to ensure your natural stone retains its original shine and beauty, while also making sure it provides a sanitary surface for you and your family. Contact us today. Visit Coit.com or call 800 for Coit to learn more.